Do you want to float your quilt? Are you worried about keeping your quilt straight? Oh, this is Kathy from Fabric Bash, and I got the perfect solution for you. We call this here the straight and narrow. It keeps my quilt straight and on the narrow. What it is a bungee cord with little toggles right here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to attach on your quilt, on your long arm. It's really pretty easy. Well, especially with us here at APQS with these right here, but it works on any long arm. So right here is where my bar should be because I'm a floater. What I love about these little tabs is they're lined up right here perfectly for this quilt here, and it kept it perfectly straight, as you can see, as we roll down the quilt here. If I wanted to, I could move easy. If I wanted something in the center, if I had a marking here in the center. If I had some that I needed to have the borders, I wanted the borders to mark. Easy to move that. If by some chance, just by some chance, I got my quilt all kind of toggled up here and I have this underneath, all I had to do is just real quick unhook it, hook it back up. Most of the time that does not happen, but this helps me keep my quilt really straight. It doesn't get in my way. My machine doesn't come near this at all, so the needle is far away from this, but it's flexible, easy to move, really light, doesn't interfere with my quilting when I'm free motion quilting. And this is the straight and narrow for $13.99. Thanks so much.